Hello viewers, Nothing brand has launched its sub-brand Cmf Phone 1 in India, and the first sale will be held on tomorrow on flipkart.com. This phone comes with a unique design. As you can see here, you can remove the back panel and customize also this button here. The changeable back panel will give a new look to your smartphone. You can do it by yourself. Along with this smartphone, Nothing has launched a whole new bunch of accessories with this. The price of this smartphone will be 15,999 rupees, and you can get launch offers. You will get 1000 rupees cashback with HDFC credit card or Flipkart Axis Bank credit card. So if you want to grab the deal, you have to buy this smartphone tomorrow, that is 12th of July 2024 at 12 noon. The sale will be on. This smartphone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor, though it is not as powerful as 7200 processor that comes in Nothing 2 phone. So you have to know this factor. Plus, it comes with a unique design. No such phone came with this design, so design language of this smartphone is excellent. At the back, you will get 50 megapixel Sony sensor with 2 megapixel depth sensor. At the front, you will get 16 megapixel camera. It comes with Android 14 and Nothing OS 2.6, and it will get two more major updates. Brightness level is 2000 nits, that is peak brightness, and it has 120 Hz of refresh rate. And you can see there the interchangeable back panel. It comes with 5000 mAh battery, so battery will last longer, but you will not get the charger inside this box, so you have to buy this charger separately. I don't think this is a good move because you are selling a smartphone and you are not giving the charger free of cost. That is very bad. This policy will not work in future, I think. But I like the design of this color, so I am going to buy this smartphone tomorrow. So if you want to know more about this smartphone, subscribe the channel to get the latest news on this smartphone. I will unbox, review and also give you camera test of this smartphone. Hope this video has become helpful to you. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.